What if the biggest mystery of the universe, the one that has puzzled scientists for over a century, was finally solved? Black holes, those terrifying cosmic monsters, have fascinated and baffled us for decades. They are so powerful that nothing, not even light, can escape their gravitational pull. But what lies inside them? Do they lead to other dimensions? Could they be the key to understanding the fabric of reality itself? For years, physicists have tried to decipher the true nature of black holes. And now, Michio Kaku, one of the world's leading theoretical physicists, has revealed groundbreaking insights that could change our understanding of the cosmos forever. New discoveries, powered by quantum mechanics, advanced telescopes, and cutting-edge theories, are finally giving us a glimpse of what could be lurking inside these mysterious voids. Black holes are formed when massive stars collapse under their own gravity, creating a singularity, an infinitely dense point where the known laws of physics cease to function. Surrounding this singularity is the event horizon, a point of no return. Anything that crosses this boundary is doomed to be swallowed forever. But what happens after that? For decades, scientists believed that everything falling into a black hole would be crushed into an infinitely small, infinitely dense point. However, new theories suggest that this might not be the case. Some physicists believe that instead of a singularity, the core of a black hole might be something entirely different. A gateway to another universe, a cosmic time machine, or even a mirror image of our own reality. One of the most exciting possibilities is the wormhole theory. According to Einstein's equations, black holes might be connected to white holes, hypothetical objects that expel matter instead of consuming it. If this is true, black holes might not be the ultimate dead ends we once thought they were. Instead, they could be tunnels to other parts of the universe, or even to entirely different realities. Another mind-blowing theory, supported by physicists like Leonard Susskind and Stephen Hawking, is the holographic principle. This theory suggests that everything that falls into a black hole isn't truly lost, but is instead encoded on the surface of the event horizon. In other words, the three-dimensional black hole we see could actually be a two-dimensional projection of information, an idea that challenges our very understanding of space and time. Michio Kaku has recently discussed an even more radical idea: quantum loop gravity. Unlike Einstein's theory, which predicts an inescapable singularity, quantum loop gravity suggests that black holes might eventually bounce back. This means that instead of collapsing into nothingness, a black hole could reach a point of maximum density and then explode outward, potentially giving birth to a new universe. Could this mean that our own universe was born from a black hole inside another cosmos? The power of black holes is beyond imagination. A black hole the size of a marble would weigh as much as Earth. Supermassive black holes, like the one at the center of our Milky Way, have masses billions of times greater than the Sun. Their gravity is so intense that they can warp space-time itself, bending light and even slowing down time. Some scientists believe that inside a black hole, time doesn't exist at all. If that's true, could black holes be the ultimate key to time travel? In 2019, the world got its first real glimpse of a black hole when the Event Horizon Telescope captured an image of the supermassive black hole in the galaxy M87. This was a historic achievement, proving that black holes are more than just theoretical constructs. And now, thanks to ongoing research, we are closer than ever to understanding what lies beyond the event horizon. Michio Kaku believes that the next few decades will bring even more shocking revelations about black holes. With advancements in quantum physics, space telescopes, and artificial intelligence, we may soon have answers to questions that have baffled humanity for centuries. Could black holes store the blueprints of the universe? Are they tunnels to other dimensions? Or is something even stranger hidden within them? One thing is certain. The deeper we explore black holes, the more we realize how little we truly know about the universe.